Hey there, Striverz money crew. Are you tired of watching the same old videos on how to make money online? Are you looking for something fresh, unique, and dare I say, even a little entertaining? Well, look no further. Today, we're diving into some lesser known ways to make money online that you've probably never heard of. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. But before we jump into the juicy details, do me a favor and smash that like button. It really helps us out. And if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel and turn on those notifications so that you never miss a video. Alright, let's get started. So, you've heard about the usual suspects: freelancing, affiliate marketing, dropshipping, and so on. But today, we're going beyond the mainstream methods and exploring some unique, untapped opportunities to make money online. 1. Virtual real estate. First up, we have virtual real estate. That's right. It's like buying and selling properties in the real world, but in a digital landscape. Online platforms like Second Life and Decentraland allow users to buy, develop, and sell virtual land. You can create virtual experiences, rent out your land, or even flip properties for a profit. The possibilities are endless. 2. Niche stock photography. Next, let's talk about niche stock photography. Sure, you might know about the big players like Shutterstock and Adobe Stock. But did you know that there's a growing market for unique niche stock photos? Websites like 2020 and Snapwire cater to clients looking for more personalized, authentic images. If you've got a talent for photography, this could be your chance to shine and earn some extra cash. 3. Reviewing websites and apps. Have you ever visited a website or used an app and thought, I could have designed this better? Well, now's your chance to put your money where your mouth is. Platforms like User Testing and Try My UI pay you to review websites and apps, providing valuable feedback to developers. The best part, you don't need any special skills, just a critical eye and an internet connection. 4. Voice acting gigs. If you've been told you have a voice for radio, you might want to consider voice acting gigs. Websites like Voices.com and Voice123 connect talented voice actors with clients looking for voices for commercials, video games, animations, and more. And with the rise of audiobooks, there's never been a better time to break into this industry. 5. Selling digital products. Another great way to make money online is by selling digital products. Think ebooks, printables, templates, and even online courses. If you've got a particular skill or talent, why not package it into a digital product and sell it on online platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or Teachable? It's a fantastic way to create passive income and help others learn something new. 6. Online gaming tournaments. If you're a gaming enthusiast, you'll love this one. Did you know that you can make money by participating in online gaming tournaments? Websites like World Winner and Gamer Saloon host competitions in various popular games, with cash prizes up for grabs. Of course, you'll need to be pretty skilled to rake in the big bucks, but hey, practice makes perfect, right? 7. Participate in online mock jurors. Last but not least, let's talk about online mock jurors. Yep, you can actually get paid to participate in mock trials and help lawyers prepare for their cases. Websites like eJury and Online Verdict offer this unique opportunity, allowing you to earn some extra cash while getting a behind-the-scenes look at the legal process. Just keep in mind that eligibility varies, and you might need to be a US citizen, 18 years or older, and have no felony convictions. Here, you've got 7 lesser-known ways to make money online that you've probably never heard of. Now it's time to put these methods to the test and start raking in that sweet, sweet cash. Now it's your time to take action. And check out the related links in the description and make sure that you watch our other videos on making money and achieving financial freedom. Thanks for watching, and keep striving.